Good day everyone, welcome to Electro DIY. Today we are going to make an NTP clock plus weather sensor using a dot matrix display. The brains of this project is ESP8266 Nodemcu module. Also check out a step-by-step guide on smoke detector plus weather sensor using Nodemcu and Blink application. The clock shows an NTP time followed by room temperature and humidity. We can also adjust the brightness and speed of the clock using light dependent resistor. As you can see, when the room is dark, the clock is more brighter than before. Let's get started. The components required are 8x32 LED dot matrix, Nodemcu module, LM2596 step-down converter for Nodemcu power supply, breadboard, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, 1 kilo ohm resistor, LDR light dependent resistor, 4 AA battery holder, some wires, and finally a card box. Make sure LM2596 step-down converter outputs 3.3 volt and input should be around 4.55 volts. If you like the video, hit the subscribe, like and share button. Thank you very much.